My name is Gina Antrim, and I'm an AAC SLP, and today I will be reading the book The Pigeon Has to Go to School by Mo Williams, and I'll be providing aided language input using the Unity vocabulary on a word wall poster from PRC. All right, let's get started and let's read our book. So it's called The Pigeon Has to Go to School. Aw. And he's over here and he's got a little speech bubble and he's saying, come on. The pigeon has to go to school. And we have an exclamation mark, so he's kind of yelling it, or the title's kind of being yelled. The pigeon has to go to school. Lots of feeling. We see lots of desks and chair. We do see lots of desks and chairs and tables at our schools that we can sit at too. Oh, but he says, wait! Don't read that title. And he's flapping his wings. Oh, he does not want us to read the title. The pigeon has to go to school. I wonder why he does not want us to read that title. Too late, he says. Rats. Why do I have to go to school? I already know everything, he says. Go on, ask me a question. Any question. I don't think he actually meant any question because he looks kind of confused there. Well, I know almost everything. Does school start in the morning? Because you know what I'm like in the morning. It is not pretty, he says. Let's think about how we are in the mornings. I know sometimes I can be sleepy and I want to go back to bed. I don't move that fast. I'm kind of slow getting around in the mornings. I wish I was a little chick again. A little itty bitty not going to school, baby pigeon. And here's a little picture. What if I don't like school? What if I really don't like it? What if I really... Oh, and here we've got all of the letters for really again are in big capitalized, so we're going to say those with a lot of feeling. Really don't like it. What if... He's got his big eye, and we see a big exclamation mark, and we see those lines. He's shaking. Oh, what if the teacher doesn't like pigeons? Ooh. And the stuff. What about all the stuff? There is so much stuff to learn. Oh, he looks like he's sleepy and tired just thinking about all the stuff. What if I learn too much? My head might pop off. Can we have a little picture of that? Oh, we don't want that. And then we've got a little picture over here. Scared. Aww. Yeah. I think he's right. I think he does feel scared that he does not know what's going to happen. He does not know who his teacher is going to be. He does not know who's going to be in class with him. He doesn't know a lot of things that are going to happen at school. I would feel scared too whenever you don't know what to expect. What will happen at school? Oh man, he is super worried and stressed out. What if there is math or numbers? Why does the alphabet, and we can find our alphabet under our keyboard, have so many letters? Reading can be hard with one big I. Yeah. What about lunch? Eating's important. What will the other birds think of me? Will finger paint, will it stick to my feathers? Is it gonna stick to my feathers, he says? What's up with the heavy backpacks? I'm a fragile bird. Oh, he's worried that it's going to be too heavy and he's going to need help. Oops, I pointed to wash. I meant the help right there. The unknown. Oh, it stresses me out, dude. There should be a place to practice those things with experts to help you. And books. And classrooms. And other birds to work with and play with. Maybe a playground. Oh! See the light bulb? I think he came up with a good idea. And he realizes that is school. Well, how am I supposed to get there anyway? Was a what? Oh boy. Step aside, he says. Coming through. Whew, you gotta get out of the way. He's gonna go fast. The pigeon has to go to school. Oh, he definitely wants to ride on that bus. And I see something different from earlier in our book. If we go back, we saw empty chairs and desks. And now, when we look, we see other birds sitting at the chairs and the desk. And here we see Pigeon. They're all ready to work and play together at school. All right, well, thank you so much for reading with me. I hope to see you again next time, all right? Bye.